Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials ready: a wired Xbox 360 controller or the wireless receiver, and the correct driver installed. Plug the wired controller into a USB port or plug the wireless receiver into USB and press its sync. Once done, open Devices and Printers to confirm Windows detects the controller. This proves the hardware and drivers are talking. If Windows asked for driver installation, allow it. That step ensures input mapping will work properly when you launch games. Now you configure inputs and validate them. Open Game Controller Settings, select the device, and test each button and axis so you know what moves will register. If needed, calibrate sticks to remove drift and set dead zones for cleaner control. Make sure the controller is selected inside your game or in Steam Big Picture, otherwise the game may ignore it. Once mapped, play a short session to confirm vibration, axis behavior, and button mapping feel correct. Finish by locking in your preferred settings and addressing common failures. If the controller isn't detected, reconnect to a different USB port, reinstall the Xbox 360 driver, or replace batteries in the wireless pad. These fixes resolve most problems. If inputs still act oddly, resync the wireless receiver or test the controller on another PC to isolate hardware faults. One key troubleshooting tip: reinstall the driver and reboot. This often clears USB recognition issues and restores correct mapping.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.